In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to perform SMS campaign in QuickBerry portal.
From the main menu, navigate to the Campaigns section and click on Add Campaign. Start by giving your campaign a name, for example, Testing Campaign. Next, select your sender ID, followed by the template. All your DLT-approved templates will appear in the drop-down for easy selection. You'll now find 3 options for adding your recipient list. Quick Campaign. Paste mobile numbers manually. Bulk Upload. Upload an Excel sheet with contacts and variables. The first column for contact numbers, followed by variable columns like var1, var2, etc. Multi-broadcast. Send the same message in multiple languages. For multi-broadcast, your Excel should include columns for phone number, message type, implicit or explicit, message content, sender ID, and DLT template ID. For this demo, let's create a quick campaign. Paste the contact numbers manually. If your data doesn't include the country code, simply enable the Doesn't Add Country Code option. Add any sample variables as needed. You'll also notice 3 additional settings. Schedule option. Choose a specific date and time for your campaign. Send flash message. Instantly deliver on-screen messages. Remove duplicate numbers. Automatically filter repeated contacts. Once done, click on Preview Campaign. Here you can review all key details: sender ID, DLT template ID, message length, and total recipients. Finally, click on Run Campaign. Your campaign will now start sending, and the status will show as In Progress. After refreshing, you'll be able to view real-time delivery updates. To see complete insights, click the eye icon under the Actions column. This gives you a full overview of your campaign's performance.